Look at this, isn't beautiful? These doors, I love them. There's still the old signs. Elevators 21, 22, 23. It's at the Tampere University Hospital. You can try this one first. It's the closest one. 7% or 6 regular ramps. These must have had pop-out fixtures before. 1958 actually, this is so we got 40. I didn't try 0, but we can try and see if 0 is open.
Yeah.
Yeah. Press 0. Yeah, it's open. So built in 1958, modernized in 1992, Epilän Konepaja E343. So these three have been actually Epilän Konepaja, a group of them.
Yeah.
Wow, isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
In the last year, 2018, these elevators turned 60 years old. I think maybe the children's clinic was completed in 1958 already.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then the rest of the hospital was completed in 1962. But they started constructing here in 1957. It will be inspected in the next year, 2020. So where do we go?
I don't know.
Where should we change the lawyers? On floor 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
Expected by Kiva inspector, maintained by some minister.
Very nice, we came here. Yeah, we're lucky.
Yeah.
Let's send it up to floor 3. Maybe this one, maybe. Yes, Kone, Arrow China. Maybe this one after all. No, it's moving. Maybe it's calm now. Let's see. Is anybody there? No? Okay. Let's try it. E341, built in 1958, modernized in 1992. Probably late 1992. 6 persons or 480 kilograms. It will be inspected in 2020. And this will be 60 years. It was 60 years old last year, 2018. 5 floor split. 0 is locked off. We're gonna try the last one.
Yeah.
What do you think about these elevators?
Amazing.
Yeah, they are. Children's clinic. If I had children in Tampere, I would have taken them here. I like this. They're probably very good personnel here too.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they still have Kone. So that means still reliable.
Yeah.
Okay, press up to try the last one. Come. Built in 1958, modernized in 1992. E342. Epilän Konepaja modernized by Kone fixtures. Yeah. Also got stop buttons. But I would also actually like to from the old children's clinic in Helsinki.
Yeah.
So that building is still like open?
No.
It's not? Oh.
Yeah. It will be renovated.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if they are going to modernize the elevators.
But it's like open, accessible?
Not no, but it will be back to hospital. After some years, I'm
okay.
probably next year, but I think more years. But
I can maybe try to go there and see if it's still accessible.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe it is still. I'll be able to get the old children's clinic in Helsinki, or former one, as it's gonna be something else in that building.
That's.
That's that's it. Thank you for watching.